Yes. The area of a rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units if its length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 3 units. If we increase the length by 3 units and breadth by 2 units, the area increases by 67 square units. Find the dimensions of the garden. As I always say, beta, look at the last statement first, define the variables and reread the question. So let us do that first. So I have defined length to be L and breadth to be B. Then area will be length into breadth LB square units. Let us suppose this is the original rectangle with us whose length is L and breadth is B. You know this is the area. So according to the question, the area will be LB. Now let's read the question. The area of a rectangle gets reduced. Reduced मतलब कम होना, minus. ठीक है? By 9 square units. Initially it was LB. Reducing by 9 means it is 9 LB minus 9. That is the meaning of reduced by 9. Suppose earlier it was 100 square units. So 100 minus 9, now it is 91 square units. But when will it happen? If its length is reduced by 5. Initially it was L. So now it is, let's say, L minus 5. Right? And breadth जो है 3 units increase हो गई. So instead of B, it has become B plus 3. So this is the new case of the rectangle. So we are given that here the area is 9 units reduced. So the area will be LB minus 9 beta. But according to the formula, this is our new length and this is our new breadth. Length into breadth. So the area has to be L minus 5 into B plus 3. This represent area of this figure. And this represent area of this figure by the given condition. Since both are areas of the same rectangle, they should be equal. Right? So according to the question, we get our first condition as this into this is LB minus 9. You know how to simplify these two brackets? Multiply L with B. So we get LB, L into 3, 3L, minus 5 into B, minus 5B, minus 5 into 3 is minus 15, which is equal to LB minus 9. LB and LB will cancel from both the sides. So we shall get 3L minus 5B minus 15, we take it that side, minus 9 plus 15, which is 6. Okay? So we get our first equation as 3L minus 5B is equal to 6. So this is our first equation, beta. Right? Also, according to question, what is the second condition? If we increase the length by 3, so now L becomes L plus 3. And breadth by 2, breadth is also increased. Obviously, when both the things are increasing, the area will also be increased, right? And the area is increased by 67 square units. So this will be initial area plus 67. Again, let us multiply. L with B gives you LB. L into 2, 2L. 3 into B, 3B. 3 into 2, 6 is equal to LB plus 67. LB and LB cancel. So this gives you 2L plus 3B. 6 you subtract from 67 is equal to 67. This is your equation number 2. Now we know how to solve equation 1 and 2 to get the values of L and B. Right? Remember, L and B represents your length and breadth. If you get a negative value, please cross check your calculation. Length and breadth cannot be negative. Alright? Yes.